Okay, in this scene, we also have an image over here or a logo, and we went ahead and changed the name of this container to logo here so that we can write commands to this as well. And this is going to be a little bit different because this time we're going to use an image, which is different from a geometry and or a transformation command. Now, anytime you need to know a path of anything, especially an image, you can come into your folder, or let's say we have a flag or the logo on our graphic, but we're lost somewhere down here within our server. We have no idea where that path is. We can click on this image within the container, and then it takes it into the editor over here. We can click on the image in the editor, and then it will open up the path to it down here. And you can see that here's the image that we're currently using. If we right click on here, you can use this show properties window, and you get this little box right here. So we turn it off and turn it on again. We'll go to show properties, and we can hit the little links button here, and here is the link or the path to that we'll need to know when we're sending a command. So it tells us all globals /images /flags, and then we just need to know the name of the particular flag that we want. Now, if we needed to type this in within the show commands, another way that you can do it, you can also type your show commands out previously into another document if it helps you. So for instance, we have a text document here or on Notepad, and we can just come in here and type or grab what we need by hitting Control C. Now make sure your caps lock is not on when you're using Viz, and you want to do a Control C, Control V. Now this time, let's say we want to change the flag, and we just copied part of our code here. So we're going to come into our show commands. We're going to start again with the send, and we're going to go to main scene. We're going to go to the tree again, hit our asterisk, and this time we're going to paste in what we copied from our document, and you can see that we're accessing our path here again, and this time it's an image set, and we just need to tell it where that image is coming from. And of course, you need to tell it which country or logo you want, so that when we hit enter here, it's going to change that image. You can see the image change from India to Italy. So basically, we just told it which scene we wanted to, the tree, and again navigated down to our particular logo. And this time we were changing in the image, and the image set image followed by the path of that particular image. Now, as we go through further and further, you'll learn more and more commands, but this is basically the bread and butter of Vizrt and learning how to use the commands. You basically tell it what scene you're working with or within. You tell it where you want to go, what you want to access, and then what you want it to do. And you can use all the little clicks you do within Vizrt Artist to pick out the right information within the show commands to put the language together.